Welcome to another episode of Meet the Lawyer at LoTempio PC Law Group. Today we have Heather Baumeister. Heather's been with us a little over a year. In fact, right before the pandemic hit, Heather has been a terrific addition to our firm. She is in part of our litigation department, so Heather does a lot of personal injury and commercial litigation. So why don't you tell us about your educational background? Where'd you go to college? Where'd you go to law school?
Okay, so I went to college in Allegheny College in Meadville, Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Great place, not much to do there. And then I majored in history, minored in English. And then from there, after that, I took a year off. And then I went to law school at Albany Law. And I graduated 2019, and then took the bar exam, and then started working here in 2020, March of 2020.
You know, it's funny. I didn't even know that this was your first job.
Yeah.
So with the history major and an English minor, you obviously like to do a lot of reading.
Mm-hmm.
And I have done. Of course, I do some commercial litigation, and that's all it is, right? Is that what you like about it?
Yeah, it's a lot of reading and writing. Throughout college, that's all I really did for 4 years, was read books and wrote papers. So with commercial litigation, it's kind of a similar application, except you're reading, pleadings and, case law and things of that nature. And then you apply that into your writing and you create this, this work of sorts.
Well, I could tell you this. Every class I looked up in college, if they had 3 tests, I would go to that class rather than the ones that they said write 3 papers. I can assure you of that.
I would take the paper. You have more control over it. It's a controlled environment. You can, run with different ideas and, go from there, and you develop your own style and all of that, which, works here too. So.
Well, it does, and that's why we have a wide range of attorneys, and every attorney is different in our office. I like to be in the courtroom, and I like to, talk and verbalize my arguments rather than write them down. But that's a different forte, and that's why Heather works perfectly in our firm, because she has that expertise, and when we need someone very well written, Heather can take care of it. So tell us what you like to do when you're not working.
I like to play tennis. I like to play golf. I like to drink wine. That's about it.
That's good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Heather, for joining us today. If you need any commercial litigation or personal injury litigation, please call our office at LoTempio PC Law Group, 855-3761. Thank you.